Hey guys, okay, so we showed you how to do the power on this vehicle. This is an Audi RS6 2021. We show you how we run the rear camera, and we show you how the old camera will run through. Obviously, you can see all the wires, and now the wires are all clean. Now we're gonna show you the front camera. So first, this is my rear camera. I already ran the rear camera cable to here. This is the previous rear camera. So one of the mistakes that a lot of people do is you see videos online from different companies that show how to install dash cams and everything. And one of the things to show you, just go around the pillar here, tuck it in, and then that's it. Now, the thing is, if you get into an accident, there's an airbag in here. If you get into an accident and the airbag deploys, what's going to happen? The airbag will easily cut this off. So it will cut off this wire. It won't be holding it. It will cut off the wire. But the wire, because now the wire is coming in a very fast speed to your face because it just got cut off, this can cause you damage. Just this wire can cause you damage, which the airbag is supposed to protect you from. So when you go to A-pillars, you're supposed to go behind. Now, one of the problems is not everybody knows how to remove A-pillars. Every vehicle is different. Old Audis used to have a mark here that says airbag, and behind it there was a hidden screw or different clips, it's different things. The new Audis, they made it very clean. So first of all, let's pull out the other one, and you can see I'm just pulling it from here. If it was from the behind the airbag, you definitely won't be able to do that because you would get stuck. Now this pillar is, you see, you can pull it out a little bit, but that's it. There's something that is holding it. So the clips right now is holding it, and you can pull as much as you want, but you won't be able to take it out. It's gonna break the clips or gonna break the A-pillar. So you can use a flat screwdriver, or in my case, you can just use your finger. And I'll show you how I do it. Basically, there's a clips there that is holding holding kind of like a round pin, and you just have to push the clips down to go behind the pin. So basically, to exit. So you just have to put your finger, find the right place, and all you have to do is push it down. And once you push it down, this comes out, and it takes less than 10 seconds. Now, so you can get the idea of what it is. So let me pull this up just so you can get the idea. Okay, so this is the clips that I pushed in. This is the clips I pushed in. Okay, you can see the hole in here. So you see the hole. You see how the hole has kind of like the metal pieces. So once you push in the clips, it goes to a spot that is empty and allows it to go up. So that's how you take it out. And basically what it's holding is this pin. That's all it is. As you can see, less than 10 seconds just to feel where the piece is and just push it in. If you can't do it with your finger, you just use it with a screwdriver. You just push it in, and then everything else comes out. There's a couple of clips here that those ones pulls out once you take it out. And now we have an access to go behind the airbag. Very nice, very clean, no interference. All I have to do right now is go behind here, and that's it. The installation right now is going to be much cleaner, much safer, no headache. And this one, you just slide it back inside after and clips it in. I also have to run the wire for the power here, so we're going to do that. But all we have to do after is just slide this one in, clips it, and done deal. For more videos of how to install, how to remove, and other stuff, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.